Hey there, future financial wizards. Today, I'm diving into the awesome world of Acorns, the app that makes investing as easy as pie. Before we get started, don't forget to click that link in the description below for a special discount. All right, let's crack this nut open. So, you've heard about Acorns and you're ready to let your money grow like a mighty oak tree, right? Perfect. Let's get you set up. First things first, download the Acorns app. It's available on both iOS and Android, no excuses. Once you've got it, sign up with your email and create a password. Now here comes the fun part, linking your bank account. Don't worry, it's super safe and secure. Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Yep, even that $3.50 latte can help you build a financial forest. You can also set up recurring investments, starting as low as $5 a day. It's like treating yourself to a fancy coffee, but instead, you're investing in your future. Now let's talk about portfolios. Acorns offers a variety of them, from conservative to aggressive. Think of it like picking your character in a video game. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses. Just answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and Acorns will suggest the best fit for you. Easy peasy. And guess what? You don't need to be a stock market genius to use Acorns. The app does all the heavy lifting so you can sit back, relax, and watch your investments grow. Plus, there are educational articles and videos to help you learn more along the way. But wait, there's more. Acorns later helps you save for retirement because who doesn't want to chill on a beach in their golden years? And Acorn Spend gives you a checking account with a debit card that invests for you. Talk about multitasking. All right, folks, time for a quick recap. Download the Acorns app, link your bank account, choose your portfolio, and let the magic happen. Remember, every little bit counts, so start small and watch your money grow. Before you go, make sure to click that link in the description below to snag your special offer. That's it for today. Happy investing, and may your acorns turn into mighty oaks. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.